Hello students, in this video we will discuss about the solution of first exercise from the chapter sets. This is the first chapter of your mathematics book. So today we will discuss about the solution of question number 5 and 6. So let us start with question number 5. The question number 5 is list of all elements of the following set. First one is set A, where A is the collection of all x, where x is an odd natural number. Now you know that natural number starts from 1, and in the collection of natural numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay. Now in A set you have to collect odd natural numbers. Okay, that means this set in roster form will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and so on. Okay, that means list of all elements of the set will be 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17 in this way. Okay, these all odd natural numbers will be the elements of set A. So let's check the solution. As you can see, you just have to transform the set in roster form 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and etc. That means this 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 17, 15, these are the elements of set A. Okay. Now second question. Second part, it is set B is the collection of all x, where x is an integer. Okay, and x must be between minus half to minus 9/2. So x have to be an integer and x greater than minus half, less than 9/2. So this expression can be written as x greater than minus 0.5. Okay, and this 9/2 can be written as 4.5. So you have to find all the integers between minus 0.5 to 4.5, and they are 0, okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, 5 does not belongs to this collection. Why? Because 5 is more than 4.5. Similarly, minus 1 does not belongs to this collection because minus 1 is less than minus 0.5. So these 4 element will belongs to set B. So let's check the solution. Obviously 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will be the collection of the set. Okay. Now question number 3. C is the collection of those x where x is an integer and x square lesser equal to 4. Okay. Now first of all, x have to be an integer. What are the collection of integers? It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on for positive integer, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and so on for negative integer. This whole is the collection of all integers. Now if you do the square of 0, it will be 0. Okay. Now 1 square is 1, which is less than 4. 0 square is also less than 4. 2 square equal to 4, which is lesser equal to 4. Okay. Now minus 1 square is equal to again 1, which is lesser equal to 4. Then minus 2 square is equal to 4, which is also lesser equal to 4. Okay, but if you do the square of 3 or minus 3, okay, if you do the square of plus minus 3, it will be 9, which is greater than 4. Similarly for plus minus 4, it will be 16 greater than 4. Okay, that means the only collection of x for which x square is lesser equal to 4 will be -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. So, these 5 are the elements of set C. So, let us check the solution. As you can see, all these things are given. So, -1, -2, 0, 1, 2 will belongs to the set C. Okay. Now, question number 4, D is the collection of x where x is the letter in the word loyal. Obviously, I told you, first of all you have to change it in roster form. If you change it in roster form, first letter will be L, then Y, then Y, L, O, then Y, then A. Okay. Now, here is another L in the word loyal, but you cannot repeat same element twice in the set. Okay, you cannot repeat same element twice in the set or more than once in the set. That's why the elements will be L, O, Y and A. Okay, you cannot repeat L twice. Okay, so the element of loyal will be L, O, Y, A. Okay, this. Now, question number 5, E is the collection of all x where x is the month of a year not having 31 days. Just you have to collect those months of a year not having 31 days, such as February, April, June, September, November. Okay, so these 5 elements will belong to set E. Now, last one, F is the collection of all x where x is a consonant in the English alphabet which precedes K. Okay. Now, the collection of all consonants in English alphabet which precedes K is A, C, D, F, G, H and J. Obviously, because A, E, I, these elements are vowel. So, the consonants in English alphabet which precedes K, that means which is before K, is equal to B, C, D, F, G, H, J. So, this is all about question number 5. Now, question number 6, match each of the set on the left in the roster form with the same set on the right described in set builder form. Okay. First one is 1, 2, 3, 6, second is 2, 3, they all are in roster form. This is MATHEICS and this one is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, so now I will match. Obviously, this one is very simple. These are the letter in the word mathematics. Okay, obviously because remaining 3 are for the remaining 3 roster form, the elements are in digits, and only in option 3 the elements are in alphabet, and it will be X is letter of the word mathematics. Okay, because the elements of mathematics will be MATHEICS. Okay. Now, here the first one is x. X is a prime number and x is a divisor of 6. So, first of all, you have to collect all the prime numbers which is divisor of 6. They will be 2 and 3. Okay, that means A will match with 2. Now, remaining is B and C. First of all, I will collect B. B is the collection of those x where x is an odd natural number less than 10. Obviously, the odd natural numbers less than 10 are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So, B will match with 4, Roman 4, and the remaining one, this will match with C. What is C? C is the collection of those x where x is natural number and divisor of 6. Obviously 1, 2, 3, 6 are the natural number which are divisor of 6. So 1 will match with C, 2 will match with A, 3 will match with D and 4 will match with B. Okay. So here all the explanation are given, just check it once. Okay. So this was the last question from the exercise 1.1 from the chapter set. So this is all for today. Thank you.